Hey guys, this is Gloria. I am back to share with you guys some Happy Meal that I got on Saturday. I am super excited. My sister from another mister sent me a package, and it started out with her just sending me some stickers from Michael's when Michael's had their sale going on. At the time they had their sale going on for their stickers, what it was Joanne had a great coupon, and Michael said that they would honor any coupon. Well, when I went to the store, they did not honor the coupon for me, and I was out of town, and I just didn't feel like fussing with the people or whatever, so I just let it be. And so I was talking to my sissy, and she actually ran to the store and picked up me a bunch of stickers, guys. I didn't know exactly what she picked up, but when I got the mail, there was this huge medium flat rate box that she sent me, and it's heavy. So I want to share with you guys what's inside. So I cut it open, and I'm knocking things off my desk, so let me just pull everything out and we will go through it together. Thank you so much, Kendra, for thinking about me. You're super duper sweet. I was able to meet Kendra in person. She's a beautiful person inside and out, and me and my husband, we had a good time down where she lives, and we were able to hang out for a little bit, which was so fun. So this is what she sent me, and then there's this envelope here, and it has a little note in the inside. Thanks, Kendra. She's so sweet. Girl, it don't matter. I love it. I love it. Love that you even thought about me to send me all of these goodies, and thank you for the surprises, which this is definitely a surprise. I'm gonna I don't know if I should open it first or what, but I'm gonna put that to the side. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I think that this is the new Frank Garcia paper that everyone is hauling. This paper is so pretty. When I went down to LA, I wanted to go by Frank Garcia's shop, but I didn't realize that they weren't open on Monday. I had saved it to go over there on Monday, and they were closed. I believe they're closed on Mondays and Tuesdays, so I wasn't able to go. And so I figured I would order some stuff offline. Look how pretty these are. Oh my gosh, super pretty. I know Kendra loves Christmas and crafting for Christmas and stuff. That is so pretty. Thank you so much. That's definitely a surprise. That is so pretty. I can see why everybody is so in love with his stuff. It's so pretty, so soft and pretty. This is the stuff that she was sharing with me, and I didn't know that she picked up this much, but look at how pretty. I wanted to get back into Bible journaling, and this will definitely make me start back Bible journaling. Just something that's been on my mind for a while, and I kind of stopped making the videos for it and stuff like that, but I definitely want to get back to that. These are so pretty. All of these are by Illustrated Faith, and I believe most of it is the She Blooms, and some of it is the Loved collection. Oh my gosh, these tabs are so cute. And this is all the tabs that you get in there. So cute. Thank you so much, Kendra. Look at these crosses, so pretty. So yeah, I definitely want to get back into it, because when I was really doing Bible journaling a lot, I had an idea to do a traveling Bible journal, and what it would consist of is me sending out, first off, finding whoever wants to be involved in it, and then I would send out the Bible to different people, and they would do their favorite verse or whatever, and decorate and do all that good stuff, and then they would bless the next person with something. It didn't have to be a lot, something, whatever they wanted to bless the next person with. Then the next person would get it, they would do their page, they would bless the next person, and it'll just keep going round and round, kind of like the traveling pants, but it'll be like the traveling Bible. So that is a plan of mine, and I'm hoping to be able to do that very soon. Look how pretty. These are the books of the Bible. Very, very nice. And I don't know if this, no, I think it's on white. I think it's on white. This is so pretty. I couldn't believe that she could get her hands on all of this stuff. I mean, I had just a few, and like I said, the people, they were tripping, so I was like, forget it. But look how pretty. I love these girls, and those girls are actually, they have the clear stamps now at Hobby Lobby. I actually was able to pick up one. I'll pick up one every time I go back until I get all of them. I think it's 4 sets. Look how pretty these brown girls are. So pretty. So cute. 24 stickers. So pretty. Look at this one. I love this. Her little hair and her little shirt. So pretty. Thank you so much. And look at this. These are puffy stickers, so you can make paper clips with these, or you can use them in your Bible. So pretty. I love these. And then this one, that was Bright and Brave, and this one is You Are Loved. So pretty. Little florals. Kendra loves her florals. So really, really cute. Very cute. And this is the She Blooms. You picked up everything, girl. Thank you so much. So yeah, I'll definitely be getting it back into my Bible journaling very soon. And like I said, I hope to do that challenge really soon and get some participants that want to participate in that. So then, you know, I always talk about how my Hobby Lobby, not Hobby Lobby, but my Tuesday morning is crap because they never have the things that I see that you girls pick up. And so she was so generous, and she picked me up some things from Tuesday morning. So cute. This is Simple Stories, So Fancy chipboard stickers. Love them. I'm definitely going to be using these in my grandbaby's journals and picture books and stuff, because I don't necessarily always just use like baby you know, baby colors and stuff. I just use all kind of colors because my daughter, she likes different colors and stuff, not just like little baby girl colors. This is so cute. I love this little pen. Thank you so much. This is definitely going to go to work with me, so I can put it in my little pen box or my pen cup at work. And then she sent me this, Yes Please, and this by My Mind's Eye, and this is another chipboard set. I love this XOXO. This sweet, I love these are so pretty. And see, like, I never saw these at my Tuesday morning, and maybe I'm just late to getting there and picking up the stuff, but a lot of this stuff, like, I was running to my Tuesday morning to try to find, and I could not find it. This is so pretty. This is the Journey, and look at the little camper. You guys know I love campers and stuff. This is so cute, and this is all about travel and stuff. Really, really cute. And then, oh, this is cute. That is really cute. These are journals. Oh my gosh, those are so pretty. And it has, like, I think this is rose gold, and it says love. These are really nice. Thank you so much, Kendra. These are so cute. I love journals and stuff, so that'll come in handy. And then she sent me this chipboard, Poolside, and I actually picked up the digital Poolside collection, so this is going to be awesome for me to use that with this. This is so cute, and look at the little bathing suit. So pretty. I love that. Sitting poolside, the ice cream truck. Makes me want ice cream right now. And then this one, I really wanted this one as well. My open book. This is open book, and I love this lady right here. She's so cute. And the little glasses. This is so cute. And the camera. Those are things that I know Kendra likes as well. The cameras and the glasses and stuff. That is so cute. So I'm going to have to get you back, girl. And then she also sent me this one. And this is the confetti chipboard. So cute. And I love this little cake. And I love this cake stand. I just ordered a die with the cake stand on there. So cute. And look at the little balloons. These are gorgeous. I love these. Thank you so much. Kendra, you spoiled me. Thank you so much. And then she also sent this, and this is beautiful. I love this. I love the colors and everything. This is so pretty. And it's a little pencil pouch. Ah! And I saw some goodies, some candy as soon as I opened it up. My husband's probably going to want that candy. Oh, you know what I just saw? Bows and bows and bows, guys. So pretty. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me just try. And then she stuck some candy down inside of here. But let me try to show you guys these bows. Oh my gosh. So you guys know I am in love with bows. I want to put a bow on every single thing that I do. And these are just beautiful. Love that. Thank you. And then these are some bows that she created using a die. And how pretty are these? Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. I'm definitely going to use some of these in my my grandbaby's albums. And this one is so special. I love this. So this is like a plastic paper back here. And I don't know if this is plastic paper too. I don't know. It feels like it. I don't know, but it's so pretty. This is gorgeous. I love this. And it's so sturdy. You're going to have to tell me how you made this, because this is so super pretty. I love this. That is so awesome. It's so neat. I love that. Thank you. And then here are a few more bows with the rose gold. Look at that. YOLO. Look at this. This is so pretty. I love this little bead with the little heart. That is so pretty. Love that. And then she sent me this, and it says, I believe. I love this. This is so cute. I don't have this, so thank you so much for that. And then look at this, guys. This is going right away on my keys. I love this. Thank you so much. This is just beautiful. You guys see that? And it's nice and heavy. This is so pretty. Thank you so much. And then she sent me some sticky notes. I can take these to work and use these. Really, really cute. Oh yeah, this is so cute. Season's greetings. I like this. Thank you. I know she texted me and she asked me if I had these, and I didn't have them. So thank you so much for sending me that. And then this sticky notepad as well. This one is definitely going to go to work as well. So really, really cute. Thank you so much, Kendra, for everything, girl. You did not have to send me anything, but I'm so glad that you did, because I love everything. And if you guys don't know who Kendra is, I believe most of you guys do. But if you don't, I would love for you guys to go over and subscribe to her channel. She does the most awesome hauls ever. I don't know how she finds all the good stuff, but she does. And she's just an awesome, awesome person. Just super duper sweet. And I love her. That's my girl. So I will link her information down below. Thank you so much for watching. As always, guys, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I possibly can. Take care, guys. Bye.